students. This is Hasmukh Ahir. Today topic 1.8 electric field. Definition of electric field is the force acting on a unit positive charge at a given point in an electric field of a system of charge is called electric field or intensity of electric field at point. When we place a point charge, another point charge is near to this charge in finite distance. So in this case, produce a one type of effect. It is called electric field. Exert a force. It is called electric field. In the case, suppose a one point charge is to place in coordinate system at origin, and second one another charge is at Q0, position vector is R. In this case equation is electric field E is equal to force upon Q0. Force upon Q0. Force upon Q0. Now, next is for electric field SI unit. Electric field SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. Now, in case if system of charges, this system of charges consists of more than one charge, so in this case electric field position more than one charges. Now consider system of charges is Q1, Q2 and Qn, number of charges. For position vector is R1, R2 and Rn. Position vector of these charges is Rn. In this case, in first case, here we get electric field on point P. Electric field on point P due to Q1. Means in first case, electric field E1 is equal to F1 upon Q0 is equal to K Q1 upon R minus R1 upon R minus R1 mod Q into R minus R1. Electric field on P due to Q1. Now in second case for electric field 2 means this one, direction of electric field E2 is this. Electric field on P due to Q2 is E2 is equal to F2 upon Q0. F2 upon Q0 means is equal to K Q2 upon R minus R2 Q mod into R minus R2. This is. Now next is, for here suppose we have n number of charges. Here we have n number of charges. In this case, n number of charges in this case electric field on P due to Qn so is equal to, in this case is equal to Fn upon Q0 is equal to K Qn upon R minus Rn mod Q into R minus R. And now, according to a superposition principle, net electric field at point P, E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus up to En. Okay. So here total sum of three different forces. So in the first case this one first. So equation for E1 is K into Q1 upon R minus R1 mod Q R minus R1 plus K Q2 upon R minus R2 mod Q R minus R2 plus En for K Qn upon R minus Rn mod Q R minus R2 net electric field according to superposition principle. So here equation common, E is equal to K summation J is equal to 1 to N Qj upon R minus Rj mod Q into R minus Rj. This is the final here. In these two different figures, positive and negative point charges. For point charges, in the case electric field due to a point charges represent, in this case one is using two vector, one is positive charge, second one is negative charge. For the, in the case of for positive charges, direction of this field, direction of the electric field are radially outward to the direction, for positively charged, and for negatively charged electric field represent vector field, in this case radially inward to the direction, Now here we see that the length of the arrow is decreased away from the source, length of the arrow is decreased. This is the indication of decrease of the electric field in both cases, for positive charge and for negative charge away from the source. This arrow represent decrease of electric field effect. Electric dipole. Definition of electric dipole: a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance is called an electric dipole. As shown in figure, two charges, one is positive charge, one is negative charge, second is positive charge, separate by a finite distance 2a. So the electric dipole P is equal to Q into 2a. Now electric dipole SI unit coulomb into meter. Here electric dipole is vector quantity and its direction from negative to positive. Direction from negative to positive side. In this case, here both charges, two charges equal and opposite, means negative and positive charges magnitude value is equal to 0, means electric dipole is 0. Here electric dipole is equal to 0, but electric field is not 0, means position of these two charges is different. Position of these two charges is different. If limit q tends to infinity and 2a tends to 0, so in this case P is equal to 2a into Q, then electric dipole is called point